Hello, yes, in this next lesson, we now begin to input all the furniture that we have already brought from our design center. We now begin to fix them where necessary. So let's begin with this king size bed. Let's move it. We move enter. You take it, you press your F8 inside this place. You can see where it is facing. If you want to rotate it, you click, you go to rotate, and you click from any point that you want to rotate it. You press your F8 and you drop it down. So you can also move it. Enter. You pick your base points. You check your F8 and you now take your, any way you want to arrange your king size bed, and that's how you do for the bed. Let's quickly fix the toilet onto. This is the toilet seat. You see that the toilet seat, we need to rotate it. You click it, you rotate, and you pick your F8. You rotate. Once you get what you want, you drop it down. You now pick it. You say enter. You pick a base point. You now move it to where you are going to. You press your F8 to set it down. You see the way it was located in the drawing. Then you drop it down. So that's how you put your water closet. So what remains now is to put the wash hand basin. Wash hand basin, we've not brought it, so we have to go back to the we change it to sanitary. Don't forget, we go back to our view, we go back to our design center, we go back to home, the designers, and we now bring house designer. We see our sink here. This is our sink that is here, so we manage it like that. Don't worry, by the time you reach this stage and you have subscribed for this lesson, we are going to give you free templates, so you don't need to worry. I just want to show you this about this design center, because you might be in a situation where you don't have access to these templates and you need to come up with something fast. So you can just go to this place and pick it. So you click and you drag it. You can also use this one for the template. You close it. Now let's quickly match properties for this our sink to this our wash hand to this our water closet. So by the time you click it, you also move our wash hand basin to where it's supposed to be, around this side. So that's how it is done, and you now also do the rest with the way it has been done. So this one too is also another toilet, another water closet. You can copy this one. Since you have it already, just copy it. You bring it into this one for the second toilet. You also copy this one and you bring it into this place for the second toilet. You can see that in this case, the water closet and the wash hand basin is getting a little bigger. So what we can do is to scale. That's another tool that we can also use here. We call it scale. So you left click on your scale, you click on whatever you want to scale on the object. It will now ask you, you will now press enter. You will now input what you want. If you want to scale down, it will be less than 1. If you want to scale up, it will be more than 1. So now we want to scale down, so we can say 0.8. Enter. We have scaled down. You can see that it's smaller than this other one. That means we have scaled down. You can just click everything at once and you scale down. You scale it down 0.8 as we did, and that's it. you have reduced it to that size. You can delete this one and bring the other one back. You move it back to where it was before. You copy it again to this other side. You move this one back to where it's supposed to be. You move this one back to where it's supposed to be. So that's how you begin to copy all your templates into each of the spaces that has been provided. So I want you to try the remaining templates and put it where they are supposed to be. We'll see in the next class.